This is Dr. Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. I hope every one of you finished taking the resolution for 2021. The resolution varies from age group to age group. See, first of all, the first age group that falls till 20. That is the age you are the good student of your institutions and you enjoy your life and you are mixing with all your family members, kith and kin. It's a really wonderful life. But don't forget, you should be the right and good student. That is the age up to 20. Okay. So when you move to the less than 30, you have to choose a career which will be suitable for you. But don't forget, don't choose a very big company where you put your effort on their growth because you have to grow. So you select a boss or select a company which is growing with a small company where you can learn a lot of things, passions, values, how to adventure, how to take challenges. And this boss who is sitting in a small company can teach you so many things which you can learn. That will be a new things which you will have to learn. That is the age less than 30. If you choose a very big company, you will learn, but you don't learn things which you really required. So there they'll do some processing, finishing, and most of the fine tuning. So I think your progress will not grow since the opportunity is very less to know little more new things. So when you move to 30 to 40, that's the age you have to live for yourself. You decide at that period whether you going to act as an employee or an entrepreneur. So that is your living style will have to be decided, and for which you have to put all your effort, attempt to shine your career between 30 to 40. So from this age to 40 to 50, you should be focused the area which you already chosen during the age of 30 to 40. So if you are trying to jump in 40 to 50, I think your success rate will be very less, and you can choose, but you are going to suffer a lot again. Your dying part will be more. So better to focus the one which we have chosen. So that is our 40 to 50 without focus on other alternative, other kind of diversions. Try to focus the area which you have learnt, which you are most favorite, as well as the one which you have already identified and enjoyed the previous 30 to 40. Then when you move to 50 to 60, you live for youth, you rely upon youth, you invest on them, see the progress, share your input, and see the people are growing. So definitely you can see progress with the youth because they are talented and energetic, so that very well you can invest. So I think again till 20 you are going to be very good students, and again less than 30 you search for a good boss and small company where you sharpen your skills and ideas, values, everything. And 30 to 40 you live for yourself, decide your career, and 40 to 50 then you are more focused, see the growth, see the success, and 50 to 60 you share the responsibility to youth and the junior people, and when you reach 60, that is you love to live for yourself and live the life for yourself, because that's the age where you will have to relax and very comfortable, and you can refresh all the memories and everything. But that's the age that you'll have to enjoy yourself, whether you go to temple, spiritual, or beach to enjoy wherever. But you should not feel regret if you are planned in such a way that is which year group does what, everything is defined. You never feel regret and enjoy your life. So wish you all the best to include to take you all these points to make your life enjoyable and more qualitative and more impressive. Thank you very much.